Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best dual extruder 3D printer. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, brand name, Geeetech. Model number, A10T. 2 extruder module and 2-in-1 out hot end, which deliver 4 types of printings, single color, double color, graded color and mixed color, which will greatly enrich your 3D printing experience. The modularized design divided the printer into 6 modules: gantry kit, bottom kit, extruder motors, PSU kit, LCD display kit, filament holder kit. What all you need to do is to tighten screws, connect wires correctly and fine-tune belt tension and adjust heat bed when necessary. The whole process takes about 20 minutes. Using Marling firmware, stable and easy to operate. It will support auto-leveling function. All what you need to do is to order a third touch or BL touch, connect the sensor with A10M, update the firmware and then simply debug. Geeetech A10T 3D printer, adopting open-source GT2560 control board, delivers mixed color objects and greatly enriches your 3D printing life. Keeping the good performance of Geeetech 3D printers, it aims to provide users with quality printout and satisfactory printing experience. The V-shaped wheels and rails on each axis, made from wear-resistant aluminum profile, could, in a large measure, reduce the printing noise and offer you a quiet 3D printing environment. The filament protection system will alert you to change filament when the printer runs in air or the spool is empty. The resurrection system is added to save real-time printing status and to resume the printing job exactly at the same place where it has been stopped. A10T extruder cover features 360-degree ventilation design, greatly enhancing the dissipation of heat and guaranteeing excellent printing quality. A10T comes with filament protector and break resuming capability, greatly enhancing your 3D printing experience. Adopting the modularized design for extruder wiring, A10T makes it easy to exchange the wire. Plug and play, saving efforts and money. Geeetech A10T 3D printer can realize multicolor printing to meet the needs of users to create colorful products. Compared with its previous generation Geeetech A10M 3D printer, the appearance is not much different, but the structure of the Geeetech A10T 3D printer is more solid and stable. The frame and bottom plate of the Geeetech A10T 3D printer are made of metal plate, which is safe and strong. With 4 rubber pads at the bottom, they can support and stabilize the body. 3-in-1 nozzle module. This nozzle module uses 3 adjustable power motors for filament input. When filament of different colors is evenly pushed into the 3-in-1 nozzle by the extruder, under the guidance of the color mixing software Geeetech Color Mixer, filaments can be automatically mixed into different colors in the nozzle, finally, spit out uniform material at the nozzle. Automatic leveling. Geeetech A10T can realize automatic leveling function through an external 3-touch sensor. Resume printing after a power failure or occasional power failure. After the power is restarted, printing can be resumed at the node where it originally stopped without affecting the printing result. For material loft detection, each feed port is equipped with a material loft detection device. Once the filaments are disconnected, Geeetech A10T will automatically suspend printing and enter the standby mode. The unique hotbed cover plate has the characteristics of high temperature resistance, high flexibility, and grainy surface, making the printed model difficult to warp and easy to disassemble. Number 4. Brand name, Creality. Model number, Ender 3S1 Pro. The Ender 3S1 Pro comes equipped with a handy LED lighting strip fixed neatly to the top of the printer. LED lighting has become a popular upgrade feature among makers as it provides ample light for you to check on your prints. Whether filming for a time-lapse or simply enjoying the enhanced futuristic look, you can easily switch on your LED lighting, which adds greater convenience and style to the Ender 3S1 Pro. 6-minute assembly. Auto leveling with the included CR Touch Kit and 4.3-inch touch screen takes the Ender 3S1 Pro and brings ease of use to a new level, making it a great third printers for beginners. 32-bit silent board, print resume support and filament runout sensor are all included for a better printing experience. The printer can save the data during the outage and resume the print correctly from where it's left off, reducing the risk of filament wasting due to the printing failure. A big part of the comfortable use of a 3D printer is to do with the screen and user interface. Number 3, brand name, IdeaFormer. Model number, IR3 V1. Equipped with the rolling conveyor belt, it realizes continuous printing. No worries to print the infinite length model. High productivity, time saving, and cost efficient. A removable extension bracket is available for installing to prevent the model from falling during printing. Made of polyester, the conveyor belt features excellent adhesion to the model. The printed model can fall off automatically as the belt rolls to the end, thus free your hand. Strong adhesion, free removal, wear resistant, well-balanced conveyance, easy to replace the conveyor belt. The 3D printer IR3 V1 comes with a stable and sturdy Core Z precision construction that gives you an extraordinary printing experience. It has intelligent material breaking detection sensor and intelligent material breaking reminder. Ultra-silent motherboard or fans to cool down, ensure or pause printing. We independently developed the 3D printer IR3 Montana A10T, which can print continuously. The maximum temperature is 250 degrees Celsius. It can print PLA, silk PLA, wood PLA and PETG well. If you can load TPU filament well, it can stick on the conveyor belt. ABS is a little hard to stick on the conveyor belt. Need put some glue on the conveyor belt at start printing or put a tape on it. You can buy our IR3M or MF all metal A10T separately, if you want to print higher temperature filament, such as nylon, PC, ASA. The maximum temperature can up to 290 degrees Celsius. The 3D printer IR3 V1 comes with a stable and sturdy Core Z precision construction. The linear guide is adopted stainless steel linear guide rail instead of traditional PON pulley, reducing the probability of accuracy problems resulted in bi-pulley wear fast and wear off the powder. It can bear loads in all directions. It has the advantages of high rigidity, high load, high precision, low noise and super wear resisting. If you want to batch print models or print extra long models, this 3D printer is the best choice for you. I believe the infinite Z-axis can inspire your imagination. Number 2. Brand name, Sovol. Model number, SV04. Sovol SV04 3D printer is equipped with independent dual direct drive metal extruders that allow you to print 2 different colors, 2 different materials and 2 models simultaneously in the same or opposite direction. Auto leveling sensor on SV04 will make adjustments to ensure the bed and nozzle are at an optimum distance throughout the printing, which improves bed adhesion and print quality. Screen operating with a responsive and sensitive touch button. All the modes are clear and easy to use. The filament protector will remind you to change the filament. No worries about long time printing anymore. The wheels on the holder help load the filament more smoothly. Dual Z-axis screws and stepper motors improve the accuracy and precision of nozzle's vertical movement with a specified Z-axis accuracy of 0.001 mm. The flexible magnetic building plate ensures that your print grips well to avoid deformation and failed prints. You can peel off the prints without tools. Just bend the plate and remove your prints. Number 1. Brand name, JG Maker. Model number, Artist D Pro. Artist D comes with a high-performance 32-bit mainboard, equipped with TMC 2209 silent stepper motor driver chips. So you can enjoy a quiet printing environment. Artist D Pro has built-in MEON well power supply, ensuring stable and sufficient power during the printing process. Touchscreen control for user-friendly operation. Dual clean brush. This brush can prevent the inactive nozzle from dripping material on the print, spoiling the finish. It is more accuracy and precision than mechanical limit switch. Artist D Pro is equipped with industrial-grade linear guide to deliver smoother performance with less friction and higher precision. Artist D Pro Dual Extruders offer single, duplicate or mirror mode for more versatile and collaborative experience with multiple color and multiple material filaments. Magnetic spring steel plate ensures your print can get a good grip to it, to help prevent warping and failed prints. Allows you pop off the prints without any tool, just spring the plate and your print will pop off. Direct drive extruder leads to faster retraction with more accurate extrusion, allowing you to not only print with more flexible materials,